Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to cancel your Amazon Audible subscription. And if you find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is just come across to Amazon and log into our account, and then what you're going to need to do from here is actually come to your name up in the top right hand corner, and you're going to get a drop down box which looks like this. And what you want to do is just locate where it says memberships and subscriptions, and then just go and give that a click. So once this is loaded through, this is going to bring up all your subscriptions. So you can see at the moment I've got a membership for Amazon Prime, I've got Amazon Music, and I've got Audible down here, Premium Plus Monthly. So what you're going to want to do to actually cancel your subscription is if you come across to the right hand side of where the Audible one is, and what you want to do is just click onto change plan. It's probably going to ask you to log in to verify your identity. And then what's going to happen, it's going to take you to Amazon's Audible website, and you'll see it's going to give you some information. So for example, in my case, I've got 2 credits and my next bill date is the 21st of October, which is in about a month's time. So to actually cancel this, what you're going to want to do is just underneath, you'll see it says switch membership or cancel. So you just want to go ahead and click onto cancel membership. And what's going to happen, just to note that if you cancel and you've got any credits, you will lose them. So make sure that you do spend and use all your credits before you go ahead and do this. Otherwise, if you cancel, you do lose your credits. So what you can then do is just scroll down, and it's going to say yes, use my credits, or no thanks, continue cancelling. So as I say, if you need to use your credits, go ahead and spend them first. But if you've done that, just go ahead and click onto no thanks, continue cancelling. And what's going to happen, it's going to ask you for basically a bit of feedback. So you can just use any of these. In this example, I'm just going to put other reason. And then if you want to go into a bit more detail, you can tell us, where it says tell us your thoughts, you can type something in here like, hello, I don't know, did not use enough. Something like that, or detailed, or whatever you want to do. This is completely optional. You don't have to put anything in this box. And once you've done that, just come down to the bottom, and again, you want to click onto cancel membership. And what they're going to do is try and keep you signed up to the platform. So they're going to give you a normally like an offer or a deal. For example, it says here, keep your current membership and get an additional free credit. So what they're trying to do here is keep me signed up to the platform, and they're going to actually give me an additional free credit if I stay and keep my current membership. But if you're still happy to go ahead and cancel, just underneath that, you should see a cancel box. So just go ahead and give that a click. And you can see what's going to happen. It's going to come up with a confirmation now saying my membership will be cancelled at the end of my current bidding period. So in my example, my membership is going to expire on the 21st of October, which means I can use Audible up until the next time I'm due to be billed. And then instead of being billed, it's literally just going to cancel my membership. If you change your mind at any point, obviously they've got a box here where it says keep my membership, so you can go ahead and give that a click. But you see, if I now come back to Amazon, then what I'm going to do is just go ahead and come back to my membership and subscriptions page. And you'll see from here that if I now scroll down, my Audible Premium is saying that it will now end on the 21st of October instead of renew. But if I do want to continue, you can see to the right now, there's a box there that says continue membership. So if I do change my mind at any point and I want to resubscribe, all I want to do is come to this page and click this box, and that's going to restart the membership up. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.